Hey everybody, this is Griffin.
Little Griff.
And today we're doing a combination of cards that Ben got for being a good boy today, which is the 25 Top Series 2. And then some stuff that I got in a break earlier this week. A couple of 23 Top Series 1s, what are these called? Hanger packs?
Yeah.
And then a couple of loose packs. Show them the loose packs, but some Bowman and then some Topps Series 1, 25.
And before we start, shout out.
Today's Saturday, so we are cooking with Emma.
Hello, everybody.
And Austin.
This is my sister.
Hibachi's on the menu tonight.
Boom, boom. Hibachi on the menu. Yum, yum. So we better get through this. And hopefully we can cook with this rip as well. It'll be a cooking rip. Boom.
Dad,
You like the way I did that?
Dad, you're kind of being cringe. I can't tap.
Don't tap me and whatever.
And now we're starting with a Bowman pack. 2025 Bowman.
25 Bowman pack.
And I love Bowman.
Let's see what we got.
Aaron Estrada. Can you show the cards?
Sure.
Aaron Estrada, Max Clark.
Estrada. Oh, there's a Max Clark base.
Thrope. Raphael.
Nobody. Raphael Devers. All base.
Bryce Eldridge.
Oh, there's a VIP Bryce Eldridge on the silver parallel.
No.
Slade Caldwell.
Not numbered, but Slade.
Ooh, that's nice.
Caldwell.
On the old speckled. What do they call this? Speckled parallel.
Yeah.
Slade
And
Caldwell.
Second, 2025. Okay. Who is this? Justin Verlander. Logan Gilbert. Justin Robleski. Jerry Pena. Angel Martinez. John Gray. The Baltimore Orioles. Ryan Thompson. Tommy Edman. Oh, we got a weird card.
Reveal it. What is it?
Oh,
that's kind of cool.
Lee.
There's a Brooks Lee. Not numbered, but it's on the kind of purple border parallel.
Oh, wait. Judge.
Oh, that's a nice, there's a Judge All-Star. Silver parallel.
Now the second.
And, hey, anytime you get a Nacho Alvarez, you get hungry, right?
Not really.
Not that hungry? You don't want to eat nachos? And there's another Judge.
Can
Boom.
I eat him though? No. So,
That's just
Adam
weird.
Mon-
That's cringe.
You're cringe.
See, I got to use it too. I can do it too.
cringe.
I can say it too.
No, you
I'm
can't.
cool.
No, you're not.
I'm super cool.
No, you're not.
You're
You're
buns.
Oh, Jinx, knock on wood.
Jinx.
You can't talk until I say your name 3 times.
Whatever. Colton Cowser.
Oh, you're cheating.
Rookie Cup.
No, now I have to say your name 4 times.
No, jeez. Joey Ortiz.
Wait, the good cards.
Let's see what we got good.
Oh, grapefruit.
That one's backwards. What is this? Grapefruit League with
Shota
Amanga. That's kind of cool.
The third,
All-Star.
another one.
Another Series 1. Let's see what we get here.
Another one.
How about like a Ben Rice parallel? Auto. Great, right?
That might go for like $1,000 because that is gonna always a good card behind there, bro. No. Okay.
Show us something good.
Brian Will, Nick Sogo,
good.
Will Benson, no, Freddie Freeman, Ryan Porter, no. Oh, backwards card?
Backwards card. What is it?
Ronel Blanco.
Ronel Blanco on the parallel, the speckled parallel there.
Nathaniel Lowe.
Nathaniel Lowe on the silver parallel.
De La Cruz.
And we got it. L.A. de la Cruz. Very nice, very nice.
What are you looking at? Garrett how it was?
Look, now he's going right for the
No.
he's going right for the good
I
stuff.
packed Magic. I don't think we did any
Last pack buns, more like.
Hey,
There's a Soderstrom though. He's
Austin,
having a pretty good year.
Can you get a knife or something?
Yeah, Torres, Kershaw, Jack Friesen, Enzo,
Oh, no.
Alec Bohm, there's Beavers, the All-Star. There's a nice Evan Carter, who is back up in the league now and playing pretty well. Yep, he's doing pretty well too. Okay, now we're moving on to the Series 2. We haven't actually ripped any of these yet, have we?
Because it came out like 1 week ago.
Well, I mean, normally we're pretty good on getting right on top of this stuff, right? Can I help you with that,
No, I
please?
got it.
Do 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 do. Bum 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 buns 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 do do
Your
do
buns.
do 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 do. Bum ba bum bum.
FBI, open up!
Cringe.
You're just cringe in general, buddy.
Whatever. You can't call your dad.
Oh,
It's almost Father's Day, and you're gonna call me cringe on Father's Day. I don't know what I have.
It's not Father's
What I
Day.
have done wrong.
Wait,
Raising
yeah,
you.
yeah, it's definitely not 2024. No, it's 2025.
Well, doy.
We did this we actually filmed this video in 2024. It's been a year since we did this video.
Our first one?
No, it's been 3 months.
Wow, there's a whole bunch of packs. How many cards? 84 altogether?
84.
And what can you get in these?
You could get a lot
7
of stuff.
packs, 12 cards per pack, 84 cards.
Wait,
What are
let's
we
go see how
searching
they
for?
look like. Holy,
Assemble special
Oh.
inserts.
Dad, Nestor on a sunshine.
Nestor Cortez on a sunshine insert,
Oh,
I
these
guess.
are the updated ones. Like they're up. Hi, some kid.
Oh, here, show. You can get assemble special inserts at
All-Star.
Summer Superstars, OPS Best, First Pitch Stars. Looks for retail exclusive hollow base parallels. Okay, let's take a look. I haven't even seen these yet. So, what did we get? Anything good?
Oh, Kevin Alcantara.
I kind of like the Manny Machado there. Oh, I like that. That's really cool, dude. Did you go right past that? All-Star Fernando Tatis. Very cool. What else we get in here? Hilliard. There's a Hassan Kim rookie.
Goldschmidt. Wall of Goldschmidt.
The Wall of Goldschmidt. What the heck's the Wall of Goldschmidt?
It's just Paul.
Oh, it's Paul Goldschmidt. All right, Paul Goldschmidt. David Fry. Come on, give us a big one.
Oh, Kevin Alcantara.
Is it numbered?
No, but
thought I saw
it's
number in there.
Sunshine rookie.
Sunshine. Show it. Well, I'm going through these. Kevin Alcantara. Oh, there's another one. So we got both the regular Kevin Alcantara and the Sunshine one. Okay, kind of cool.
Ooh,
What do you got there?
what is this?
Ryan, boom, boom.
Summer stupid stars.
Yeah, I don't think it says stupid stars. Who was it?
Ketel Marte.
Patel Marte on the
Oh,
Summer
wow.
Superstars.
Suckley Rutschman.
Yeah, he kind of does, doesn't he? Allie Rutschman, All-Star.
Can you get autographs in these?
I didn't see anything that said autographs.
You
in these.
probably still can either way.
That'd be nice. Paul Skeens. What you got?
What's this?
Ben Joyce, Brendan Donovan,
This must
nobody.
Wait, is this in? Dad, look, Dad. Is this a short print? Because it was backwards.
It was backwards. Let's see. Blake Snell. It's Blake Snell. It looks just like all the other cards. I wonder if it's a variation or something. Series 2 update. I don't know. I don't think so. What else you get?
It was backwards.
Altuve.
Like these packs are huge.
Yeah.
I think this one might have
A patch?
no, never mind. These packs are just humongous.
Yeah, 84 cards. That's pretty good.
Oh, David Fry. David Fry.
David.
There's some fries. Tamayuk. He's not a rookie. He's 35.
Well, he can still be a rookie to the league.
Yeah, to that league. Wait, who is that? Oh, Laz Lism.
We love Jazz. Jazz Chisholm.
Rocky. I got a Rocky Sasaki.
Oh, Roki?
I got a Rocky
Rocky.
Sasaki.
Roki
That's
Sasaki.
a cool card, though.
I like that. That's cool. That is cool. Roki
It's
Sasaki.
in the blue form of the Dodgers. Come on.
What else do you get here? Are you last back already?
No.
Rhonda, Tommy Segura.
Oh, Luke Weaver, Jackson Jobe, Austin Hedges, Nick Pavetta, this, that. Jacob Wilson
Oh,
with
you
a
know
bat.
what?
Jacob
Tell you
Wilson
what,
with
this
a bat.
he's on our fantasy team, and boy, he
Yeah,
is kicking some butt.
he's the new Derek Jeter.
That's what they're saying, but a long time before there's a Jackson Jobe. That's just a base.
He's good though. Jackson Jobe is crazy good. What is it?
Willie Abreu
Landon
having
Mack.
another good year.
What is this? Huh?
Mac. What'd you get? Something
New
cool?
York Yankees, Juan Soto.
I don't know. Is it throwback?
Must be. Third.
Oh, that was from last year, 988. He had the third highest OPS. Juan Soto,
That's a
kind of
cool
cool car. It is. We like
Brett
that.
Lauder. He's actually pretty good. Wait, is that the last
That was the last
We
pack.
didn't blow on it.
Well, you know what? The last time we did, hey, you got an Austin Wells in there too.
The last
Like
time
Austin
we
Wells.
did it didn't do anything.
Even though it's base. Yep. Brett Lauder.
And now we are with the 2023. Oh, we could get autographs or
We could get autos in these. And who are the big rookies in 23?
23. Rutschman.
Gunner.
Rutschman.
I mean, there's others too. Who else?
I have no clue.
You don't remember? Well, I guess we're going to find out. Hopefully with the big ones. No Ellie's, right, in 23. That's 20.
Ellie's. No.
Ellie in 23?
Yeah, he's rookie.
I thought it was 24.
No, it's not.
All right, 23. Let's see what we get here. Can't believe I can't remember 2 years ago. Who else were the big rookies? From 2 years ago.
No clue.
Okay.
That's when the Yankees won in the World Series. God, Doodle.
Let's see. What do you got?
Gosh,
here?
I can barely hold this.
Vinny Pasquantino.
I can't hold all of it.
Oh, there's
Oh, home field advantage.
Oh, who?
Nolan.
Nolan. Too bad. Those things are going for a lot of money.
Do you know he's a rookie and he freaking rakes in the MLB?
I think he doesn't rake. He's all
Do you
right.
not know?
We'll look at his number, but that is a whole field advantage. We like that. And there's a Gunner rookie. Oh, there's a Gunner rookie. And there is a Julio Rodriguez rookie
I
cup.
get you would probably want to judge better than. Oh, look. Dad, look. We got a card.
Yeah, we got all aces, Julio Urias.
Who wants an all aces? Like, do you need some for
Wait,
your
dude.
set?
You go too fast here. All right, you do that, and I'll go through the rest of these, see if
That's
there's
the
anybody else.
last box of the video.
Hunter Green, future star. Okay.
You don't know who.
Oh, there's a, how about this guy? Tristan Cassis.
He's injured for the rest of the season, so
Yeah, I know.
that's great.
What else do you get in
He's
here?
from 23?
Oh, the Michael Harris rookie cup, rookie.
I don't remember Tristan Cassis playing for
The Dodgers.
There's a baby on the golf field.
The golf course.
Yeah, the golf.
Golf field.
Yeah, the golf field. Definitely the golf field. Definitely
Dude,
not
you're just-
everything.
Oh,
Because I want to get to the good cards. All these other
oh, we didn't even show
cards
these yet.
suck.
There's Bryson Stott on the future
Bryson
stars.
Stott.
That's pretty good.
Dot.
And then we got the MLB stars.
Dot.
Oh, Bichette.
Jordan.
There's an Aaron Judge. There's a Mike Trout. Francisco Lindor. We got a 35th anniversary of
Peace.
Neil Cruz. We're not piecing out yet. I haven't even. Did you find anything in there?
Not really.
Nothing.
Nope.
Not a single good card in there. All of them.
Yep.
Go through it again.
Well, so
Pull out a couple good ones.
good ones.
Do 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 do
I
do
can't find
do. Come on. You know, it's not much of a show if you can't show anything.
Bro, you're supposed to show.
Well, I can't. You're too fast. George Kirby, Future Stars.
Go faster then.
I can only go as fast as I can go through the cards and look at them. All right, let's see. So he just opened the last one, too. He says there's nothing here. I'm going to prove him wrong. I bet there's a banger in here somewhere.
I already looked at it. There ain't no banger.
Banger. Let's find this banger. No, not him. Buns.
Wait, no, wait.
There's a... We like Jose Ramirez.
Wait, so you're calling this man Buns?
What was it?
You're calling this man Buns?
Trent Grissom? Well, he's having a good year this year, but...
You're calling this man Buns? That's crazy, yo.
I mean, Buns compared to... They're not bangers.
You're not bangers. You're not bangers.
Dad's a
either.
banger.
You're not a banger.
We like the Vladdy Guerreros. Let's see. It's got to be something else here. So we can end this rip with a nice Juan Soto. Pre-Yankees. Pre-Mets, obviously. Bryce Harper. Let's see. The big cards. Let's see. Yordan Alvarez. Okay, not bad. Ezekiel Duran on the rookie
good.
card.
He's good.
Yeah, is he all right?
Yeah, last year he had like a 3.4.
There it is. That's the one. I can't believe you passed right by it. It's Juan DeFranco. And we got a Shohei. We always like Shohei.
Alani.
And a Vlad.
Shohei Alani.
And I don't know, some
Wait! We're not showing this card.
Why? Who is it?
That's weird.
Who is it?
He's doing this.
That's all right. He's just doing it. Hey, they're happy, celebrating.
Alright, fine. This could
Cal
get
Mitchell.
deleted off of YouTube.
There's Tarek Skubal, who's been just balling out for the last 2 years. Oscar Gonzalez, rookie
Can
card,
you
base.
go faster?
Just trying to finish. He's a lot of cards. A lot of cards. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe not tonight, buddy. I mean, we're going to watch the Yankees in like half an hour. CJ Abrams, future star. Anybody in there?
Can we play catch?
We'll see. All right. I guess that's it. It wasn't any huge bangers in that last one, but peace out.